It is a weather alert day in central Ohio, and this comes after lightning struck two people yesterday. They're both now in the hospital. Witnesses say it was the loudest sound they've ever heard.
So it happened at a practice soccer field next to Northland High School. NBC4's Delaney Ruth is there now, joining us live with what we've learned. Delaney?
Jennifer, Jared, we do know that both of the victims here are males, but we don't have their names or their ages. Now today, I went around the neighborhood. I spoke to some neighbors who live right across the street from this field where lightning struck last night during that big thunderstorm.
It was very loud. We thought like the whole thing was gonna break down.
Columbus Fire say they were dispatched to the practice field next to Northland High School around 7:30 Sunday night. We talked to a neighbor who says she saw a group of people playing soccer during the thunderstorm. She was sitting on her porch with her sister when lightning struck.
He very hard, loud. We all ran inside, and then when we came outside, we saw like all the boys like lying down, and then one of they all wake up, but one of them did not wake up.
She says another neighbor ran over to check on the group and call 911, and she saw him performing CPR. She says the lightning was big and bright, and her sister says they were shocked to see all the players on the ground.
She thought they was playing a game because they all was playing soccer and they all just lay down.
We spoke with Franklin County EMA Director Jeff Young today. He reminds you anytime you hear thunder, it's time to go inside.
When you hear thunder, the lightning has already occurred, so you're getting to shelter for the next lightning strike. So you need to kind of proactively be taking those actions.
Young says getting struck by lightning is rare, but if you are outside when a thunderstorm hits, you are at risk. And summer is prime time for lightning strikes.
Pay attention to your surroundings and realize that if a storm is coming, you are at risk, and take actions to protect yourself.
Well, one of the males who was struck by lightning is in critical condition at this time. The other one is stable. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Delaney Ruth, NBC4.